market. Now, this is the first World E-Waste Day, which is being marked here in Ngara, whereby we've seen innovators and people who are so much concerned about the issues to do with e-waste come together to create awareness on the need to handle e-waste in this country. You realize that from the information we have from this meeting is that about 50 metric tons of million metric tons of waste is produced across the world every year, and this many times ends up into our environment, causing serious damages to an environment. Now, this initiative is meant to make sure that people know on how to handle their e-waste. Now, when we talk about e-waste, I want us to have an expert who's going to break it down to us, because many people don't understand what exactly e-waste is. To tell us what e-waste is, I'm joined by Mr. Thuo here, who is one of the people behind the wheels, to tell us. Bwana Thuo, karibu sana, and tell us what is e-waste. Explain to Kenyans what e-waste is and what you are doing here.
Thank you very much. My name is Thuo. Today we are celebrating International E-Waste Day, as we have a group called E-Waste Initiative Kenya. I'm the founder and director. So e-waste is any electronic or electrical equipment or gadget. It may either be a household gadget, it can be an office gadget, and this can range from fridges, laptops, computers, motors, transformers, or any other kind of equipment that uses power either off-grid or on-grid. Today we are trying to create awareness on electronic waste management. It should be managed in an environmentally friendly way. With me here are several prayers, and led by the informal sector in Ngara. We have taken the initiative of creating this awareness to the Mwananchi, the common Mwananchi. We are also accompanied by the UN Environment, Ministry of Environment, the local government, and the county government of Nairobi.
Okay, tell us, when we talk about e-waste, what are the effects of e-waste to the environment?
E-waste have major effects on the environment and the public health. Number one, if e-waste gets into contact with the soil and water, it will contaminate the marine life, and also the same water, if it is used for irrigation, heavy metals will seep through the plants, and then when human beings consume, then it becomes carcinogenic, or you have ailments emanating from those heavy metals, including cancer.
Now, we've seen you using this e-waste to generate something from it. Tell us what products you bring out from the e-waste which you've been able to collect.
Yes, thank you very much. All our e-waste that we collect from various sources, that is households and offices, from importers and factories, we collect them, come and segregate them. Once we segregate, we are able to recycle and refurbish a few equipments, either for use, or we do urban mining, whereby we harvest some components that can be used to manufacture a few products. We have managed to use our electronic waste fractions. Number one, the plastic waste, we are making poles, slabs, cabros, and several other items from plastic. The electronic components, we are manufacturing amplifiers, home theaters, power inverters, and other electronic equipment. Not to forget to mention that we do a lot of refurbishing for use market, and we are doing a lot of ICT equipment like laptops, printers, and computers.
So do you think Kenyans are aware about the issues of e-waste in this country?
Not really, and that is the same reason that we are doing this awareness. It is not only low in awareness in Kenya alone, but in Africa and other parts of the world, and hence the creation of this International E-Waste Day.
Thank you so much, Thuo. We'll talk to you more. So, Anjali, that is the situation here at Ngara. Now, some of the products which are being made from these e-waste materials are some of the ones you can see on the screen. And this is to make sure that we handle our environment, to make sure that we don't just throw any, when your computer is finished, or when your computer gets tired or it's just finished, you don't just throw it away. You can bring it to these people. They can use it to make some of the roofing tiles are made from these. We have seen so many other things which they are making from these e-waste materials, so as to keep our environment clean and to make sure that our environment is not contaminated by e-waste, like just as mentioned. So from us here at Ngara, we're back to you. Anjali will keep you more informed on the need to take care of our environment.